Today in Crypto. Rippe chief executive Brad Garlinghouse has been airing his thoughts over the state of the crypto market and regulations, and a grudge over the financial regulator's approach to Ethereum appears to have surfaced. Speaking at the DC Fintech Week virtual conference on October 21, the Rippe boss declared that Ethereum had been granted a regulatory green light that enabled it to surpass his company's XRP token. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. A new play-to-earn P2E, blockchain game that hopes to emulate the addictive success of 2013 mobile phenomenon Flappy Bird has drawn backing from some of DeFi's biggest names. Kain Warwick from Synthetix, Stani Kulechov from Aave, Tyler Ward from Barnbridge, angel investor Santiago Santos, ex-ParaFi Capital, and Zero Zmaki from Sushi joined a pre-seed round this week for the forthcoming Flappy Birds, which is due to launch in around a month. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Major cryptocurrency exchange FTX has given $500 in crypto to every spectator sitting in one section of the FTX Arena at Thursday's Miami Heat season opener game against the Milwaukee Bucks. As well as the crypto giveaway, every fan in the stadium received a t-shirt with a QR code giving access to an exclusive opening night FTX Arena NFT. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. A copycat move from ETH leaves investors noticeably disappointed and puts the brakes on the up-only trend of the past week. Bitcoin, BTC, stayed closer to $60,000 on October 22 after the largest altcoin Ether, ETH, failed to cement new all-time highs. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView ETH/USD just matched its record $4,380 on Bitstamp before seeing a harsh rejection. Traders watched in anticipation as Ethereum appeared to follow Bitcoin to historic new levels, only to face immediate resistance and fall sharply back into a lower range. We couldn't even celebrate $E.T.H. ATH for longer than 30 seconds length. M.F.A.O. Ruthless market makers trader and analyst Direct Capital called the event a picture-perfect rejection. At the time of writing, ETH/USD circled $4,150, preserving $4,000 as support with the exception of a flash dip which immediately followed the all-time high rematch. Against Bitcoin, Ethereum fared better, with the ETH/BTC pair having bounced near lows last seen in late July. Having similarly failed to hold significantly higher levels, Bitcoin itself took an extended break as overheated markets cooled their excitement. Related, too popular, Bitcoin futures ETF in danger of hitting upper limit for contracts funding rates were returning to normal on Friday, having reached a state reminiscent of the blow-off top from April. As with open interest, however, these were not as frenzied as the Q2 rush, which produced the $64,900 all-time high in place until this week. This means there is possibly still room for additional topside euphoria, but we are at levels that are starting to stretch the market, crypto trading firm QCP Capital commented in its latest market update. Walmart plans to eventually install 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the U.S. and has installed 200 in a pilot program. Walmart has partnered with coin cashing machine company Coinstar and crypto cash exchange CoinMe to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in its stores across the U.S. Although the pilot includes only 200 kiosks, the broader launch plans to eventually see the installation of 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the country. According to Bloomberg, there has been no further details on timelines as of yet. According to CoinATM Radar, there are currently over 25,000 Bitcoin ATMs at select grocery stores and service stations in the U.S. Coinstar operates 4,400 kiosks enabled for Bitcoin purchases across 33 states. Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Research at Bituda Sam Doctor told Bloomberg that while Bitcoin ATMs aren't a new development, and can already be found at many supermarkets, customers can use the Bitcoin ATM by inserting a bank note and receiving a paper voucher with a redemption code. To redeem the code, customers need to then set up a Coin account and complete a background check. Users cannot withdraw Bitcoin from their account, with no indication of plans to offer this functionality in the near future. The Bitcoin ATMs have an 11% surcharge, comprised of a 4% fee for the Bitcoin option, plus an additional 7% cash exchange fee. As a point of comparison, popular crypto trading platforms Binance and Coinbase charge 3% to 4.5%, and 3.99% for debit and credit card purchases respectively. It is free to make a direct deposit from a bank account to a Binance or Coinbase wallet. The news was welcomed as a sign of mainstream adoption by some, including influencer Lark Davis, who said Walmart's selling Bitcoin now. Cool. However, other users complained about the high fees. BTC ATM fees are notoriously high, plus the current BTC price is always way higher when buying and lower when selling, tweeted Datsyberg in response to the news. It's a ripoff, but at least it's a sign of adoption. They think some people might want BTC enough to pay huge fees, commented Reddit user Axitar. Related, Bitcoin Depot's crypto ATMs surpass 5,000 as adoption grows. This isn't the first sign of interest that Walmart has shown in the crypto world. In August, the retail giant announced that it was seeking a crypto product lead to drive the company's digital currency strategy. The job listing has since been removed from Walmart's website, but an advertisement for the role remains on LinkedIn. Walmart China has also teamed up with blockchain-based supply chain management platform VeChain to track products. There was some skepticism over the Bitcoin ATM news, however, which comes hot on the heels of a fake Walmart press release in September, which announced a partnership with Litecoin, LTC. The hoax briefly sent prices of the altcoin surging more than 20%. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.